Alright, we are here with the Tower Hobbies Sonic MK2 low-wing airplane. It's all complete. Everything is good. It's all brand new. You can kind of see how everything's looking out. The monocoat came out very well. The airplane looks extremely good. It's still very lightweight. I can give you some shots here of what we have. You can see the on-off switch here. The bay for where the fuel tank is at. You can kind of see it's just a clean setup and everything. Have the engine here. You can kind of see that it is a Magnum Pro 45. It gets the job done. It's got a lot of power. I'm surprised, believe it or not. Runs good, and it's going to give this thing complete unlimited vertical. So we should be paying attention to the amount of power we're going to use, because this little airplane will giddy up, I'm sure. But you can see how it came out very well. Really no big issues with it. We can take a look at it and see. You can kind of see the wings here. It's got the green on the bottom. Tricycle landing gear. And you got the tail section and everything like that. But it looks great. So we'll be doing the maiden flight of this airplane, and we shall see how it goes. Again, thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, let me know.